Hi users, so today I'm going to show you how to process your results with ease with our instant result processor. With this result processor, you're able to process your results for students by just adding their test scores, exam scores, and yes, you're good to go. So now let's have the exam records. We have the list of classes here. So today I want to process results for primary one students. And now you tap on the cross icon. You have the exam type. We have the end of term exams, cumulative exams, midterm exams, and custom exam record. So the end of term exams is used to process results this period. The cumulative is for third term, combine first, second, and third term together. And then the midterm exams, we have some schools who did midterm exams. They were able to use this to process their results. Then we have custom exam record. You have a particular name you call your exam, you use the custom. So right now I'm going to show you how to use the end of term exams. At your leisure, feel free to explore the other features. So here we go. You select the session, select the term, report card type. We have different reports card type. We have the score type, score extended, comment, and tick type. The tick type and comment type is mostly used by preschool students. The score extended is used for schools with lots of subjects, and the score type is used for primary section. So I'm going to be using the score type. We have different types of teams, and today I'll be going with the violet theme. And then, how do you want your result to come out? Do you want it to show position or not? So I want this to come out with position. If you do not want, you can turn it off. So you select the score settings. So this here, we have schools who do more than two tests. Some do not call it test. Some might call it project. Some call it test. Some call it project. So for this now, you're able to edit this project. I want to leave this at project. Then this test one, and then maybe test two, and then exam. So the maximum obtainable score, let's leave it at 100. So if you do more than two tests, you can turn this on and then you customize from here. So I'll be working with just two tests and project and exam. So I have 60, 20, 20. Then I save. Then the grading system. So what type of grading system do you use for your school? I'll go with the wire grading system. From here you can customize the scores however you want it. From what number to what number should your students be marked as fail? So you update it. Most schools do not like using fail and pass. They love using things like fair, sweet words to ensure parents are happy. So once you do this, ensure you save and then also save from here. So we're good to go now. It says a total of two students from the selected class will be added to this exam. You can always update this later. So I'll show you how to add more students if you want to add more students. So to be sure your processing result for primary one, you ensure this is done rightly, then you save. Okay, so this is the same problem most of us might experience when we create a result and probably we make a mistake, we now archive it just so we can create another one, but using the same session. So it said a similar exam record already exists because I created same accounts yesterday, and today again I'm creating another one with the same session. So what you need to do in this case is to visit your archived result and then you search for the session. So here is the session. So this is it, 14th of November. So this is the exam I created for this session yesterday. So just on archive. Once you on archive, this result appears back and you're able to do whatever thing you want to do. All right, so this is the result created for primary one. So right now we want to um, verify if the list of students we have here are the ones that actually start for the exam. So I have just two students, and for me, as primary one class teacher, I have all the students who start for this exam, so I like to add them to the list. So yeah, she start for the exam. Adane start for the exam. Selected that already. So just select the list of students you know start for the exam, and then you save. So I've added this student. So Ada Faith was promoted to primary two, but I'm processing result for primary one. She actually start for this particular exam, but she's currently in primary two. But I want to generate results for her. So I've done that. You go back, then you edit the scores. So these are the list of subjects offered by the school. Then you want to add scores. So I'm just going to show you how to do that for one of the students. So the maximum score is 20. Chloe scored 15. Chloe scored 14 for test one. And exam, she got 60. So it automatically calculates it. So ensure you save and then you mark as ready. So once that's done, you do same for every other one. And if you want to add more subjects, you tap here to add more subjects. And then once you've done that successfully, the last stage is to generate the results. So ensure you add scores for all the students. I want to generate results for Glory Lawrence. So it generates into a very beautiful template. It comes out with a picture of the child, the school logo, and the selected template. So here's the result. So I'm not done. The child's picture is not here because I've not added a picture for the child. So ensure you add picture for the child, and then you can also download broadsheet if you want. This will generate in a PDF file. That brings us to the end of our tutorial today. Thank you.